This is Sparta! Wasn't... Venusaur! Okay. Watch this, watch this. Dun 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 dun. Oh crap. Hello, John.
Hello, Governor.
Hello, Bobby.
Hello. I see you, Bobby. Where are you going?
I don't know. Kitty. Meow. Kitty.
Yeah, it was beautiful when it was first starting to snow so big.
The face of viciousness.
Oh, you got no snow, huh?
No, it's not for you.
Hey, no fair. Man,
Hey.
I heard you went on a grand adventure. You went for a ride, an unintended ride.
I'm fine too, Mom. I'm fine too.
That is totally not your shirt. And I knew when you left here yesterday with that stupid t-shirt on that was a dumb idea to wear to church.
I wasn't going to. I just didn't think about it, and he was like, "You can wear this," and I was like, "Okay." And I'm gonna keep it because I really like it.
I really don't like you feeling it, so
I know. How come you always
I've been
hate
mad over
that?
this before, so
I know why. That's so strange.
eat it off.
Can you explain?
No, because I
Now it's recording Matt.
thought it wasn't recording.
Now it's recording Matt.
If it wasn't recording me, then how and why is it now recording me?
Because I beeped it again.
There's so many details that we want to know about.
So when you went down that hill today, was that were you scared?
No, we were both like, oh man.
You weren't worried that the car might roll over?
Not really. I was like, dang. I don't remember what I said, but there was no freaking out at all. I was on the phone with Dad. Yeah, I heard.
Oh, I just saw a car go off the road. I hope it wasn't them. And I said,
know.
oh, it's not them because he's on the phone with Brian. So I said, hold on, let me check with Brian. Brian knew what John was. But yeah, that was John. He just went off the road.
But they had the funeral today when it was driving snow. Dad was pallbearer, and he said that the family didn't go out to the grave. They stayed in the church, and pallbearers took him up to the cemetery in the driving snow.
Anybody say anything about school tomorrow?
Yeah, yes,
Yeah.
Like,
You got the hatter owned. What, Mom?
Did you pay for this stuff with your debit card?
With my money, my cash.
Your cash?
Yep.
Yeah, I remember.
Owned. Why'd you fight back, kitty? Why'd you fight back?
You just take a chance and just move it out there anyway. No, I can log in and work from home. And, I'm sure Cindy will, well, depending on the weather in the morning, Cindy will want to call me and then I don't know. We haven't gone through that yet with the company.
It's not all of it, but it's pretty close.
I told that out people if he'd let me eat some in the truck. He wouldn't even let me eat. I was like starving. He was seriously, like, had no reason. No, it wasn't because I was ruining my supper. He brought that up at the end. No, it wasn't. Why did I ask him for a reason? He's like goofing around laughing. He really wouldn't let me eat them though. Why am I filming this?
Yeah. But Edith was, she was her old self. She doesn't really seem to be phased. I'm sure she's been prepared for this for a while. And so Dawn and Marie and yeah, she's still living in the house.
Bring out the gators. It's Halo. Yay, it's first person. I can't even pull the trigger. Oh, this is difficult. That's why I wish I had a helmet camera. Here, do it for me. We're gonna pull the trigger right now.
Pull the trigger?
Yep.
Let me shoot.
Yep. Yay. Now get the bolt. Again. Forward. Hang on. We can get the lamp this time. I think we can get it go. Oh. Keep going. Yay.
Tea time.
Tea time. How about you push the bolt all the way forward? No, you didn't.
Oh, that tractor.
The way. Oh no.
Got in the way. It's a bounce.
I think we only have one shot left.
Hey, let's make it worth it. Paul, let me turn the gun around and aim at your face.
Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. Please don't shoot me in my face.
Okay.
Oh no.
I'll shoot right.
Not my. Oh. I'm actually dying.
You missed again.
No, no, no. Ooh.
Dang it.
Not that hard, you just pull it off. That's what she said.
Is it fire?
I blocked it with my foot. Oh! You messed my hair up. It's on now, son. I got you. You did.
These won't shoot in this one.
Oh, what? Oh. What? Thanks for the ammo. Hang on. Here. Have this. And we'll just blow the crap out of each other. There. Use that one. That shoots everything, I think.
That's what she said.
I know, right?
You can deal with. Oh, never mind. Oh, my baby. Oh, look, it's like whooshing.
Where?
From the George.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh, face. Oh, it hit right in the lens. I'm pretty sure that was like lens.
I'll try to get it stuck.
Oh, it doesn't shoot the sniper bullets. I'm sorry I keep shooting you in the face. I'm trying to shoot you in the back of the head when you turn around. You haven't even hit me yet. What is your problem?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Ready?
My bad. Oh! 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 How do I reload this with a dang camera in my hand? Oh! Headshot. Full Hulk shot. I gotta put this somewhere where they can see the whole thing. Oops. No! What? Oh. Oh! What? What?
Oh, great.
What?
Go.
Dang it. Thank you.
Where's ammo? I need ammo.
There's so much ammo over here. That's just too bad. No, you can't go. You can't do that. You can't do that. You can't do that.
Do it.
You can't do that. You can't do that.
You can do that.
You can't do that.
You can do that.
You can't do that.
You can do that.
You can't do that.
Okay.
Great. Great success. Darth Death. Boom! It's huge. What? Ah. I'm good.
on. Thanks for that ammo, buddy. Awesome shots there you got going on, Chief. Oh! What's going on? Oh, nice. I can so see that there's not a dart in that. Oh. I need to stop doing this crap. Yeah?
I'll wash up and come on.
All right. What's that? You can't do that. Dang. Martyrdom. Have you ever been like strafing across like a doorway and you got a grenade and you're cooking it and you're gonna throw it when you go past and you miss?
Yeah.
And it's cooked and you're like, boom! right back in your face. That's what she said. Is it corner too? Yeah. Get over here where I can see you. Or not. You do this one. Sorry.
This is a Call of Duty 5 reenactment.
Alright, so I told this story earlier and Matt was like, that's funny, I gotta get that on tape. So, sorry. This is gonna be my BAR. That's my 357 Magnum right there. I don't know, it looks like a revolver, so this is gay. Alright, so I was on a map called Cliffside, and like right here, this is the little grassy path that everybody uses to flank. So I was like, nuh-uh, I killed some people there, and then I was like, okay, they're all dead, so now I gotta get this part covered, so I was like, bye-bye! And they were like, hey, there's a guy out there, we gotta kill him. And I was like, and they were like, oh, well, let's not do that because he's murdering us, so let's walk away from him. And I was like, so then I was like, okay, I just slaughtered like 1 million people. I was like, oh man, I just got dogs, but who cares? I got recon. I mean, I just got an artillery strike, but who cares because I got dogs. I was like, okay, so where is everybody now? Where is everybody now? And I noticed on my recon plane thing that there was like a giant dot, which means everybody's clustered together over here on my left. And I was like, well, that probably means they're going to be coming through this grassy corridor here in a second. So I should probably get ready for that. I was like, throw up that bipod. I was like, I'm going to jump just to make it cool. And then as I was looking over here, I realized that pretty much their whole team was already coming through that grassy path. So I was like, in midair, I was like, lay down, bipod. The slaughter, all of them was like cutting off their legs, and they were like throwing grenades at me. I was like, oh, it's not my grenade. You can have that back. I don't even want that. So then they were like shooting me, and they were grabbing a blast in. I was like, oh, not that. It was great. I don't know how many kills I got, but I got my kill streak, and now I got all this spit. And, oh, it's not even loaded. There it is. Okay. You can cut it off now if you want to.
all.
Great success. I don't even think he could have done any better. He ain't got no ninjas. We should probably take this over there. We should probably take this in there.
Okay.
Only 7 minutes of battery left on this thing.
So, I'm Grendel. Here's the long and short of it. I'm on the verge of death from bleeding out. And I figured I'd make a video documentary of what just happened to me, which sucks.